Hey y'all, this is the check your work video for lesson 20, solving inequalities. We're going to look at questions 5 and 6 on that practice book work that you have, and I will be using different colors to show the different problems. So number 5 says, Milo and Audrey sold tickets to the school concert. Milo sold 14 fewer tickets than Audrey. If Milo sold 32 tickets, how many tickets did Audrey sell? So here we have X for Audrey. So X minus 14 equals 32. So Milo sold 32 tickets and he sold 14 less than however many Audrey sold. So what is the inverse of subtraction? What's the opposite of subtraction? That's right, we're adding. Oh, crap. I should not use that. I'm adding still. Alright, let's fix that. So we're adding 32 here. Alright. Wait, why am I adding 32? Oh my goodness. See, I mess up sometimes. As long as you catch it before you finish, you should be okay. Alright, so 14, if I owe someone $14 and I give them $14, I don't owe them any more money. So we have X left by itself, which is how much Audrey sold. And then we have to figure out what this equals over here. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 46. So you would say Audrey sold 46 tickets. Yes, that's okay. Alright. Carmen buys 4 daisies and some roses to make a flower arrangement. The number of daisies is 1/3 of the number of roses she buys. How many roses did she buy? So, I need to use a different color. So on one side of our equation, daisies, we have 4 daisies. And then on the other side, we have 1/3, and we have our variable, which is going to be R for roses. We want to get rid of the fraction, and we can do that by multiplying the fraction by its reciprocal to get 1, right? So what's the inverse of 1/3? 3. So this side gets multiplied by 3, and then I have to do the same thing to this side to balance the equation out. So 1/3 times 3 is 1, so R is now by itself, and 4 times 3 is 12. So she bought 12 roses. Alright. Hope that helped you guys.